Helpful for life.
Okay, I get it, Reed. I need to take this course. But what in tarnation is in it anyways? Easy peasy, dudes. Inside the course, it's split up into 5 milestones. And they're the best kind of milestones because you don't even have to run to them. Anyways, the course starts off with the Prep Your Setup milestone. In it, we teach you how to gear up your kitchen with gadgets and gizmos aplenty. The who's-its and the what's-its too. Yes, there will also be thingamabobs. Once you've learned all of that, who cares? Because you'll want more. And by more, I mean that you'll want to stock up your staples. You know, so you have some food to cook with all that gear you just got. After that, you'll learn how to effectively organize your space. Because not all of us have friendly fish and crabs to clean up our place. That wraps up the first milestone. But don't you dare stop. The next milestone you'll complete is called Plan and Shop. I thought I had what I needed. What's the deal, man? Well, you've got the gear. Now learn how to meal plan. Create a healthy, balanced meal. Perfect in every way. Then learn to balance perfection and reality with healthy-ish meals every day. If you did nothing with this knowledge, it'd be a great loss. So to prevent this, we'll teach you to grocery shop like a boss. Learn where, when, and how to get the groceries you need, but save money while doing it. Avoid that capitalist greed. But wait, before you embark on that marvelous grocery visit, you'll learn to answer the question, this isn't really expired, is it? We'll teach knowledge of such import you'll share with your mates, and that's how to decipher those darned expiration dates. Have you ever eaten something gone rotten, much to your distaste? Well, worry no more as you learn how to minimize food waste. All right. Enough of these rhymes. Although you have to admit, we had some good times. Anyways, hello, this is Chef Reed from HelpfulForLife.com with Cook Your Food, the next milestone. As you may have guessed, this is the biggest milestone. And what better way to tell you about the biggest milestone than by borrowing some of the catchphrases and impersonating some of the biggest names in cooking. That's both celebrity chefs on TV as well as some YouTube channels. You better take 2 shots of vodka because you're in for quite the ride. By the end of this milestone, the food you make will have people saying, "Oh, yes." We begin by teaching the knife basics. You know the only thing better than learning how to use a knife? B-roll. Alright guys, and that is it. First, you learned how to sharpen and hone your knife before learning how to properly grip it. Then we taught you how to slice and dice, first with words and then by cutting stuff up. But anyways, if you learned something or you enjoyed this, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in about 2 seconds when I start the next section. Then you'll learn to flavor your food until it is yummo. To do this, we'll tell you the importance of salt, fat, acid, and heat, among other factors that make food delicious. It's in this lesson that you'll learn fat means flavor. Next is seasonings. Bam! Followed by marinades. To make one marinade, we'll take some EVOO, some pepper, some cayenne, as well as some other ingredients. And we mix. We'll let those flavors get to know each other before we teach you about how cooking can affect flavor. You'll learn about 2 mouth-watering things that happen to food as it heats up: caramelization and the Maillard reaction. Once you know all about flavor, we'll teach you about applying heat, aka the cooking methods. This section will prevent you from becoming an idiot sandwich. We'll define all of the ways you can cook food, whether it be setting the oven at 400, blanching, braising, or searing, we've got you covered. Then you'll learn how to cook various types of proteins. Who knows, after this course, maybe you'll try your hand at some beef bourguignon. Finally, we will enlighten you with ways to turn your veggies and starches from to woo! So you've got the flavor and you've cooked the food. Now pull out your tiny whisk and learn all about sauces. On the simpler side, we discuss condiments and salad dressings, but we also provide the knowledge you'd need to make most any sauce. Yes, that includes teaching how to make a roux and the French mother sauces. But, of course, what sauce you make is up to you. After all, you are the boss of your sauce. The last section in this milestone is improving the dining experience. This is probably the section you need the most without even realizing you need it. You'll learn how to plate and garnish, yes, but you'll also learn about the many factors that go into someone enjoying a meal. The nice thing about this section is you can implement those tips and tricks right away, even if you suck at cooking, yeah, you totally suck. Not to mention, what you learn in this section will likely please your significant other or help you attract a new one. Well, that wraps up the Cook Your Food milestone. And as always, enjoy. The fourth milestone is cleanup and storage. While most people don't look forward to this part of the cooking process, you're a big kid now, and you just have to do it. Sorry. We start off by giving you a little education about the microbes that you're trying to clean and disinfect against. Then, after learning how to properly store your leftovers, you'll get the full dish on how to clean your dishes. We can't save you 15% or more on your car insurance, but we can teach you how to properly load a dishwasher. Even if you already know how to do this, you can use those videos to show them to the slobs that you live with. We finish off this milestone by telling you the proper way to clean your counters and appliances. This includes information on the different types of counters and appliances, as well as what you do and don't want to do to them. With all of this newfound cleaning knowledge, both you and the people that live with you will be saying, ba-da-ba-ba-ba, I'm loving it. At last, the fifth and final milestone, future food fun. In a world where Helpful for Life creates additional cooking content, this is the milestone where you'll be teased with it. What exactly is it? You'll just have to finish the entire course to find out. Well, that's it, guys. As you can see, this course is jam-packed with valuable information. Whether you're brand new to the kitchen or you're a seasoned veteran, there's no way you can take this course without kickstarting your kitchen into the next gear. Read out. Mic drop.